Here's my new job. Barely enough room in here for one. Close the door, it's freaking cold out there. I'll wait for this baby to warm up a little. There's my AC and heat. Cigarette lighter. The big ass bucket. And I'm taking that one off and I'm gonna put on this little one right there. Little one works better for picking up snow. I'm gonna wait for that thing to warm up. Sometimes it cycles over and over again. Got my own little windshield wiper. Where are we at? It's fogged up. Anyways, so excuse me. Oh, can't do that. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. That's what we like to hear. I'm gonna turn on the air. My windows are fogging up. Crank that heat up. Yeah, my phone got lost down in there yesterday. And it's now got a couple of bruises. Out the back window. Yeah, I even let a back door escape. You know. Where's my light in case it gets dark? Cool. I don't know where my boss is. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a smiley face on this. There. Now the next time somebody lets the window fog up, they're going to see a big smiley face. Okay. I'm going to wait like 10 minutes for this thing to warm up. This is my snow removal lot. Fun. Bye.